From 18th of November 2025, new rules require all directors and people with significant control, known as PSCs, of UK companies to verify their identity with Companies House. This includes those living overseas. If you're an overseas director or have significant control in a UK company, even if you live outside the UK, identity verification is now mandatory. This change is part of the UK's Economic Crime and Corporate Transparency Act, designed to prevent fraud and increase trust in UK-registered companies. You can verify your identity in 3 different ways. Firstly, online via gov.uk One login, by uploading accepted photo ID, such as a biometric passport or UK driving licence. Overseas directors can use international passports with a biometric chip. Secondly, in person at a participating post office, if you have an accepted ID document during a UK visit. And thirdly, via an authorised corporate service provider, ACSP, using a recognised UK-based accountant, solicitor or company formation agent to complete verification on your behalf. After you successfully complete identity verification for Companies House, you will be issued a personal code. This Companies House personal code is an 11-character code, formatted as 3 sets with dashes. The code is sent by email to the address you provided during verification, whether you verified online, at the post office, or through an ACSP. You only need one personal code, no matter how many companies or roles you have. Share the personal code only with trusted agents to file on your behalf. Companies House will not display it publicly. Verifying your identity will help to protect your company from fraud, ensure your role is recognised, and prevent criminal penalties or company restrictions. Verify your identity before the deadline. UK property accountants are authorised corporate service providers registered with Companies House for identity verification. Contact us to verify your identity seamlessly.